My cousin is up here too, so we're going to go help him put a stand up, and we're going to brush hog around the area where he's going to be hunting. He's got a bear permit as well, so he'll be up here hunting this year too on a different area. So I'm going to go help him do some brush hogging real quick. Hey everybody, welcome back. We're back here in the woods. We're here with one of my cousins. We're going to hook up a hunting stand, I guess you'd call it a deer stand. I think we're going to put it in the tree over here, over this one over here, not the big one in front of me that's already got a stand in it. We're actually going to put it there. Our whole point is to put the bait down there. So I just went through it real quick with the tractor, brush hogged it off. So the new bolt I put on there last time's working out well. Yeah, we'll put the bait down there, put the stand here, should be a good shot.
Hey Ricky, I got this going too.
Oh, good.
We just gotta make sure we don't step on it.
It's good to, what I do when I come out here and bait is I bring it with me every time, so that the bear gets used to the scent of the thermocell too.
That's a good idea.
Yep. That way if you're sitting with the thermocell on the stand, the bear will be like, oh, I've smelled that before. It's nothing new. Here's the tree we're thinking. Question is it big enough to hold it? Oh yeah, that's totally big enough to hold it. I mean, that's a big tree. It's got some massive roots on it. Come this way. Go through here. Yeah. Right through there.
You gotta stop right there. Put it down.
I think you're gonna need all 3 ladders, I think.
You think so?
Well, of course you have to clear out this canopy if you do, I guess. I don't know. Maybe you only need 2.
I think you only need.
Because if you do 3, this canopy is gonna be in your way up here.
Yeah, I think we're only gonna do 2.
Okay.
So we don't need this one. Hold hard.
So
I'm
we're
gonna be in charge of this. Okay, so
put that block where you want it.
that stupid. That works. That block's gonna have to go about right there.
That'd be fine. I mean, that thing's pretty. How far that thing goes out from the tree?
What's that?
That's at least 3 feet.
Yeah, it goes about pretty far.
Yeah, that block's gonna be out to here probably.
I hope it's right there. Okay, you hold this. So, it's gonna go
So what are we gonna just set it on this right now, or?
We're just gonna get this on the tree. Now I'll start lifting it up.
Okay.
This might not work.
I don't think so. It's gonna get really heavy really quick. My back's gonna kill me.
Yeah, we're gonna set it down.
Yep.
The ladders are too long. My other stands are not as long. We're gonna have to put the ladder on.
That's about where it needs though, right?
What's that?
Seems that's about where it needs to be though.
Yeah.
So just lean this back down.
Yeah. This
Put it where you're, yep.
Come over here, Patrick.
Flip it forward.
What's that?
Here, flip it this way. There you go.
This one doesn't want to go in.
You got a little crooked there. Make sure you both go at the same time. There you go.
Ready?
Yep. Does that need to come out more? This?
Let's pull this up. Let's
pull that out more?
Yep.
Go ahead.
I just try to eye it.
I think that looks pretty good, pretty level. How much? God, I can't get in.
You can slide in there, can't you?
That's what we forgot to do.
You can slide in there, can't you? No? No, you can't slide in there. Hang on a second.
This is failing miserably. Okay, now you want to end up the same distance away from the zip tie that's right next to the bottom. See you to your left? See that one?
This one?
I want you to end up the same amount of distance. Yep, just like that. And go slow.
Yeah, just take your time. Oh, wow, you went really high. You went that high up?
That's what I was told.
The higher, the more you can get in.
I just work here.
He just works there.
Oh my god.
It moved
See
again.
what I think you just did?
What?
It didn't bow it as bad though. It only lost about an inch.
That's impossible. It's straight though.
Yeah, it's still okay.
Parker, you got to tighten them tight.
I'm trying.
I'd stand up there, see if you can tighten on this side. Mike, if you can hit that bottom ratchet.
There's raspberries on the floor.
From where? Where'd you hit them? Where's the raspberries at?
There's wild raspberries everywhere. I don't know if I should be standing on this.
That's the front bumper of that. I ain't gonna mess it up. There, can you tighten it? All right, so there's where we got the...
Right there?
There's where we got the stand. Here's where we cut the area down. I'd almost say that tree. Either this one, that one's kind of small,
Yeah, but don't you want a tree close to the...
or that big one you're right down there, that right there. Here. We're getting far away though.
Don't we want it... Doesn't the bait got to be close?
What's to say?
The tree on the road?
Yeah, as I say, well, as long as you can get the shot in, we're okay, right? I mean, your choices are like here, right?
What's that?
Your choices are like here, there, there. Because the bear's going to come up to it like this, right?
Yeah. I didn't think of that, Ricky.
I think it's right here, man. Your barrel's going to be there. I think your bear's here.
Yeah, but what about a camera spot?
You can put any of these trees.
They're too far away.
No, they're not. That tree be fine. You can put it on that tree right there if you wanted.
Yeah, but I got to screw holes in. Well, I could do that.
You could put that one. You could put it right there even.
No, right here. That one right there. Or that one.
Any of those, like looking this way, right? Yeah. What I do is I put one across, and then I put one looking at it like this.
Okay.
But like, if the bear's standing here, the question is, can Parker see me, right? Stand is up.
Right here, Dad.
It's about 60 yards that way to where the barrel will be.
Miss, I can really almost reach it.
All right, I want to thank everybody for watching. Be sure to like this video, give me some comments, and subscribe to the channel if you haven't already. We'll see you guys next time.